Okay, now remember I said we were going to paint some of these items? Okay, we're going to do the zipper pull with the gold. Okay, these, because these would be metal, so we're going to paint over that gold. The other part of the club, which you can actually barely see now, so I don't think it would be a big deal if you painted it or not. This one we can see, so I'll go ahead and paint that one. Zipper pull here. And then right here where these little studs are, if you put the back of the paintbrush in here and just pop it right on there. Okay, now we can go ahead and add our tees. A couple of golf balls. Maybe one here. We'll just pop one right there. Sometimes I actually like to overlap these a little bit. Around this ball I'm going to add some more grass because you can kind of see where it's flat on the bottom. Don't you like that? Okay, and then I think the last step is our flag. Now we need to get this to stand up. So it's got to stick into something. I'm going to go ahead and take another piece of fondant. Let me see if I can turn this so you can see it back here. Just kind of put it right up against the bag. We'll end up covering that with grass. And then on this, we can go ahead and write on this. Well, let's go around the edge in gold. We'll get some chocolate buttercream and write 18 on that for the 18th hole. Okay, pop that in. And then we'll take some grass, secure it. Now you're going to transport this, put the flag in once you get there, because that pretty much probably won't make it. Okay, so this is just the brown buttercream, no tip. You could use a tip if you want, and we're just going to put a 18 for the 18th hole, and we are done. Also, if it was like a 50th birthday or something, you could put 50 on the flag, or 60, or so on and so forth. And there you have it. So this is a great cake for birthdays. Certainly change the colors up. I like the browns though, very masculine looking. Again, could obviously be a woman's also, just change up the colors. And also great groom's cake. And there you have it. Have fun with it.